Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Westpac Bank Online Banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Westpac Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now on the top right corner, we can see this register option. Simply tap on this and choose the type of account you have and you want to get registered or enrolled. So let's go for personal for now. Now let's click on register now over here. Now we need to enter our details and we need to follow these 4 steps. At first, enter your credit or debit card number, enter your name, date of birth, and simply click on next. After which we need to enter the security questions, and after which we need to create a new password, and after that we need to enter our contact details, and finally our registration will be completed. So that is all we can do to get registered or enrolled in Westpac Bank Online Banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.